we have the vacuum sub 3D machine, which prints all the iPhone 4 cases and a lot of the other flat products that we have, such as plates and jigsaw puzzles. I'm just going to show you a quick example. First of all, we have our polymer blanks for the iPhone 4 case. Now what we do, we also have the sublimation paper that has been printed with sublimation inks. This will be wrapped around the iPhone 4 case, and it'll be taped with sublimation tape, like so. This will then be placed inside the sublimation 3D machine. As you will see here, it will be placed on top of the jig. So it will go underneath the silicone sheet, placed on the jig. Okay, next we'll place the clamp on and turn on the vacuum. This will stop any airflow getting out and just make sure that the overall printing is a lot better. To reduce any air bubbles and everything else. And next we have the actual machine, so we have the heat gauge. Usually the heat should be set to about 130 degrees, and the operation time is about 3 minutes 40 seconds or 220 seconds on here. Here we have the actual pressure. This is for the vacuum, which is usually set to a high temperature just to make sure it's completely held the jig and the product in place to make sure there's no movement. Then next we have on the actual press, it's double loaded, so it's got two actual plate areas. So while this one is in operation, we can be loading up with the other jigs plus the product. Probably we can fit about 6 to 8 iPhone 4 cases. So we've got to wait for this for that time, so we can do other operations such as printing and cutting the paper and everything else. Okay, now we've come to the end of the time, so we're going to pull out the tray. So be very careful, it's very hot, so make sure you wear protective gloves at all times. We'll pull out the actual jig itself and then very carefully remove the sublimation paper. See here we have the other jig, and it will be placed upon the other jig. This will just prevent warping and get the actual case to hold its shape after, so probably just need to leave here something like 20 seconds, probably enough, just once the product's actually pulled down. But as you can see, the image is a lot duller on the sublimation paper, so the image is transferred across.